Okay, real time, I'm going to show you how to make the easiest grilled cheese ever with jerky. Turn this on, grab the bread. Now the key with making a grilled cheese is you need to establish a couple things. You need to have cheese, bread, and then usually something you can add to give a bit of flavor. So in this case, we're going to add a touch of bacon jam, TBJ Gourmet. Instead of oil, we're actually going to use a little bit of mayonnaise on the outside. And we're going to add jerky, Baja jerky. So I'll show you how all this works in. So first, mayonnaise doesn't really matter. You can put it any way you want, but if you put a little slather like that, that basically works as oil. That'll get it going, okay? We're gonna open the fridge. You might as well add your cheese early. This is absolute garbage, Trader Joe's shredded cheese, which is the best for grilled cheese, of course. You need good old-fashioned orange cheddar. Okay, boom. Your cheese is down. Let's add a little more. Just gotta make sure it's covered. You can see the mayonnaise, which is just Trader Joe's simple mayonnaise. It's already gonna develop a nice little crust there. Bacon jam. Give this a smear on the inside. This bacon jam is amazing because it just adds a little bacon flavor without having to deal with cooking, grilling bacon. You know, nobody wants to do that. So, this side, I'll show you what we're going to do next here with the jerky. So, with the jerky, all we're going to want to do is soften it a touch, okay? This is Baja jerky. It's really, really, really good quality. It's got some taco seasoning on it. Let's see. Street taco, but it works with any cheese. But what we're doing is we're adding to the pan, and all this is doing is going to make the jerky kind of soften up a bit, because jerky has obviously no moisture, so it's super chewy. So if you just soften it a little bit of oil, it's just going to get a little bit less chewy and work with the grilled cheese. That's about good. That's going to go in. Okay, perfect. Now, bacon jam in. This is probably time to flip. I don't even have a spatula. See how we walked the fine line of burnt, but we did it. We pulled it off. So I'm a big fan of getting a nice toast on your grilled cheese. I love having a nice dark color on it. You can add cheese to the top of it if you want to create a crust. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. Let's do that. So we're going to add a touch of cheese. I'm just going to show you this technique because it's kind of cool. Okay, so cheese was added to the top. You can kind of move this around the pan, and then you grill that for like maybe, I don't know, 5 more seconds. And this is what you get. Right? Here's your toasty. Okay? So, let's cut into this. And there you go. You get a layer of jerky, and you get a layer of cheese, and you've got your toasted crust on there. Now I'm a fan of a little dip. This is a good one, K-pop Foods. So this is a Kimchi Mayo. Then you got your little bacon jerky kimchi thing going on, bacon jam in there too. That is the perfect drunk snack, hungover snack, tasty snack. But that's it. So a couple cool products, a couple simple techniques. Hope you learned something. The thing to know here is that you can add anything to a grilled cheese. You can add a little sauerkraut. You can add some chorizo. You can add, jerky. You can add anything to a grilled cheese, and always dip it in something because it tastes better.